Good morning! Happy Saturday, everyone! Yan. We are now here at our kitchen, no? So, this is the first time. Request daw na mag-video daw ako. Okay? So, walang ayos, walang makeup. Magluluto lang naman tayo. Okay? So, naka-prepare na yung lulutuin ko sa likod. I'm gonna cook chicken macaroni salad. So, this is our all-time family favorite. Yan, from Daddy. Laging niluluto yan ni Mami. Favorite ni Ate, ni Archie, ni Abby. Of course, me. No? Wala si Chef RJ today. Day off muna siya, sabi ko. Whether he likes my cooking or not. Okay. Since when I was a child kasi, lagi nila ako niloloko na pagluto lang ng itlog, hindi pa marunong magsaing, hindi marunong, no? So now, as a mom, I'm trying my best to cook for my family. And, syempre, hindi kasing galing ni Mami, at ni husband, at ni ate. Okay, yung madadali lang and simple lang. But, of course, with love. Okay? So, ang mga kids, nasa room. I think they're playing with their dad. Luto muna tayo. Let's go. Here are our ingredients for the chicken macaroni. So, we have macaroni. So, binabad ko na siya sa water. No? I'm gonna boil it later. It's chicken. So, wala akong chicken breast. I'm gonna use chicken quarters. No? We have the mayo. I have leftover bacon from our breakfast. No? So, I should add this bacon tidbits. Mas malasa siya. And we have the pineapple tidbits. I have here, nag-grate ko na rin po yung cheese. And, sabi ni husband, wala kasi akong nabiling pimiento na ready na siya, no? So, sabi ni husband, either i-roast ko siya or fry ko siya ng konti. And then, we have the salt. Okay, let's start. Pinaboil na po natin yung macaroni. So, nilagyan ko siya ng oil at saka ng salt. Okay, for mga 10-15 minutes. And then, there's also the chicken. Ayan, nag-boil na rin siya. Okay. So, after boiling the chicken, no, i-cool muna natin siya and then we will shred. Ayan. Fry na po natin yung bell pepper. So, wala tayong nabiling cooking one. While we are waiting for the chicken to cool down. Now, sinishred ko na yung chicken. No? So, mano-mano lang. So, now, we are going to mix na the ingredients. So, na-shred na po natin yung chicken. Okay. Kuya here is my assistant. He's holding the camera. Okay. Let's mix the chicken. And then, these are the leftover bacon tidbits. No? Then, This is the pineapple and pimiento. So, yung pimiento, chinap ko rin po siya. And yung pineapple chunks, chinap rin natin. Kasi mas malalaki pa siya dun sa macaroni. And then, we put the cheese. Wow. So, depende sa inyo kung gaano karaming cheese. Then, I put some pickled relish na nakalimutan ko kanina. Siguro mga around 3 teaspoon. Nung bata ako, hindi ako kumakain ng pickle. Yeah. Ngayon, na-appreciate ko na siya. And then, we'll put some salt. Okay. So, we'll add some salt na lang later. Depende sa taste nyo. Then, we'll mix also the mayo. So, depende din sa panlasa nyo. No? All the ingredients, depende po sa panlasa nyo kung gaano kadami. How are you, kuya? Holding the camera. Macaroni. Lapit na tayo mag-eat. Yan. Mukha na siyang macaroni. Actually, hindi ko na tinanong si Mami kung anong ingredients. Dahil mula bata naman kami. No? Kinakain namin ito madalas. Parang tuwing may party, may ganito. Also, the potato salad. We love the potato salad ni Mami. Siguro on my next vlog. Ngayon kasi, since lockdown, hindi ako makapag-request kay Mami to cook this. No? Hindi pa kami nagkikita. Kaya, ako na lang gumawa. Okay? After some mixing, tikman natin. I will add nga pala some juice of the pineapple, no? Para may konting sipa ng asin. Okay. So, almost done. Transfer na lang natin siya. Okay na. Ayan. Ready na po ang ating chicken macaroni salad. Patikin na natin sa mga kids. Okay. It's tikiman time. So, chinil ko muna yung iba. This one is for taste test lang. No? So, daddy first. Come on, kuya. RJ is not a fan of real mayonnaise. Japanese mayo lang siya. So, actually, hindi niya masyadong type itong macaroni. Anong comment mo, daddy?
Sarap naman. Okay naman.
Kuya. Coco, come here. Taste mommy's macaroni. Let me know what's kulang or ano. Come here.
It's okay.
Okay lang? How's it? Kuya wants more. Yay! Ate, faster! Wow, kuya wants more. Si kuya, siya yung halos kapareho ko ng mga taste sa food. Hello! Okay? That's it for today. If you like my video, please like and subscribe to my channel. And kung may mga request po kayo na gusto nyo pa pong lutuin ko, feel free to comment on my channel. Kakayanin po natin yan. Wala naman po tayong hindi kayang gawin. Basta gusto. See you again next time. Bye!